Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Hey there, welcome to the card kit of the month for June 2026. I'm going to start off with our sentiment stamping. I'm using Secret C. The stamp set I have chosen for this card is Words of Beauty, the I Appreciate You sentiment. It's going to fit perfectly on that little strip. Of course, when you get this kit, you can certainly use whatever sentiment you would like. This is a very cute card. It's using the Beautiful Ordinary Life designer series paper. It's my favorite. So everybody gets a piece of 2x4 of the designer series papers, one of each. So for each card you get these 6 patterns. So it is a designer series paper heavy. So you're going to get 2 pieces of basic white. The bigger one we're going to put on the front of our card base, and that card base is Lemon Lolly. It is one of the yellows that is in the pattern paper entitled Beautiful Ordinary Life. We're just going to put that on for, I suppose you could put it on the inside if you'd like. I just sort of wanted to tone down the cardstock so that the pattern paper would sing, and I like having a white border around it. So on these 2x4 pieces, what you're going to do is rip them kind of in half. You're going to take out about 3/4 of an inch of card or of paper, and I didn't know what order I was going to put the papers in until I got organizing right now, and I was able to sort of figure out which color I wanted and which one was laid on top of the other. So we basically start with the bottom one, and then the top one has to have the least ripped off, I guess, if that makes sense. I didn't want any super strong colors either, so I ended up putting that one on the bottom. And then, yeah, I took out about just a, quarter of an inch here for that top piece. Okay, so now this piece of basic white we're going to cover with adhesive, and I did leave about 1/4 of an inch on the bottom there because that is empty. You'll see when I place it, you got to leave a little bit of white there. And then sometimes I put the adhesive on the card front, and then placed my piece of card down, or my piece of pattern paper down. And sometimes I put adhesive on the paper itself and then put it down. I think the better route to go is putting adhesive on the paper as well, and not just on the card front, because you may run into a risk where you've put the adhesive too far. Anyway, as you can see, I'm making way through my 6 pieces here. And the last one, I think that's my favorite pattern. I don't know, I really like the stripy pattern too, and the polka dot pattern. But yeah, so that one is going to be shown the most. And then basically I'm going to take my big scissors. Stampin' Up used to sell them. They don't anymore, but I'm going to continue using them because they're super handy. And yeah, you just give it a little haircut. You can put dimensionals on the back and affix that to your card front. So what I'm going to do as well is some of the offcut ripped pieces. I'm going to find the one that I like the best. That's going to go with my sentiment here. I'm going to make it a banner, and then I'm going to choose one of the backside of these designer series papers, and I'm going to make it stand out a little bit. So you guys, you know my little spiel. I will leave the links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And I see that we have a whole bunch of new subscribers. I really want to say thank you so very much for joining us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. So I'm rounding the end of this card. You can, if you are my customer, you will get this card kit, and with a qualifying order of $50 Canadian. So I did something really different here. I snipped off that little piece, and I made sure that the end here was square with my sentiment, and then I flicked one bit up and one bit down and put it down in my card, and I love it. So this is the kit you get 2 of these plus envelopes. So anyway, I want to say thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.